Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management. Click on Financial. Go to Process. Go to Advance Payment and Receipt. Then to Customer Direct Advances. Click on Customer Direct Advances. Select Currency. Select Bank Name. Enter instructions. Double-click on Voucher Amount to update. Select Customer. Double-click on Payee Name to show name. Write Main Narration. Write Narration. Add Credit Amount. Go to Save Bank Receipt Voucher and click on Save and Index. Advance from Customer refers to a current liability that records all the prepayments received from buyers before the delivery or provision of their respective goods or services.